and Lembeletes. This is the time for the reality. And this is the time to believe that Operation Rise Up, Operation Rise Up. You know that? Yes. You have to know the truth, so that the truth shall set, give you a freedom. You have to know the truth. Now. Man, not too much noise, not too much maker, not too much tabaletes. My people. Good morning. Bright Obaze, that is my big fans over there, the PFM's secret follower. I greet you now. I hail you now this morning, this afternoon, wherever you're watching me for. Let me open my balcony so that I can feel this cold weather, this raining, sharing onto the new monks, Happy New Month, brothers and sisters. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching me for. This is Voice Johnny Bizugbe, aka Voice of Justice, the son of the tiger and the lion combined. That is how we do, bro. Yeah, message to our people back home. This is uprising. Get it clear. So today's message, you already see him, my platform over there. Go to my wall. That is today's message. Operation Hold Your Government Accountable. No more sending money from Europe. Now they use our cheats our people. Now they use and give the governments more privilege. So all the youths get clear. Voice is back again, And we have to say the reality, bro. Believe me. Operation Hold Your Governor Accountable. I don't want die. I don't want riots. I don't want protests. So now depend on us when the Europe say maybe now we'll go continue doing. Not be say we tired. But at the time, so man, the reality of everything. Operation Hold Your Governor Accountable. Operation every state, I repeat, every state. Operation Hold Your Governor Accountable. Anywhere wanna see and say that they can't preach wayo, may kuna pack comments. We can hold them. Coronavirus for Nigeria now 419. I believe me, my brother. Now 419. Because why? This incident of coronavirus, not be the way where Europe take them, the Asia, the America, the way they believe that is existing, not the same way our people believe at home, That is why you see some of our brothers who believe that they are in the power and the power castigate them. You can see that they always use what we call, if you like, you take. If you don't like, fuck you. You can see a whole governor will be sharing Indomie, will be sharing what's so called Gary, sharing sugar. When we know, say, man, that brother, the main issue of everything you have to do. Look at what, man, brothers and sisters, this is the time for we to rise up and focus for those what's so called politicians. Believe me. But at this moment, we will continue, and this is the brokers who will go to stay and who we are going to fight to make sure, say, man, our brothers and our sisters, they wake up for home, Because while we don't live in diaspora, we know how we get our money, Sometimes it will be difficult, so we cry to the government and shake the door and break a lot of things so that the government will respond. But Nigeria, una no want do am. Una depend on, say, John de Italy, Juliet de Napoli, or they even de France, or de America, de Germany. Una continue carry una. That is all what we call, say, responsibility where government support do for now, where a government support do for now. Una they put am for we day up. Not be say we tire, but we dey vex for now. Wetin make us dey vex for now? Because why? As soon as can't depend on same now, we be the tree one and they pluck every day. Now the government can't get power till they steal money because I don't want to talk. Now see now this coronavirus of the things will be saying they take off from my place now. Even so, they will come give some of our leaders Gary for us in domain. But they sit down for us, they don't want to say anything because they depend on the Iyore way they Europe, or Samudiame way they Europe, there is Obawaye, you know. This is the time for we to let you people know that Operation Rise Up and focus on your governor. Hold your governor accountable. Hold your government accountable. This is the time if they want kill you now, may they kill you now. They get how Europe go be now. See they go now. Una go see and say my people go they suffer for Europe. How to before they eat, it go hard because why? More we pray say this coronavirus when be say incident when it happen so. May the white people not come take and say now their own maybe the repercussion to punish blacks. If now the repercussion to punish blacks, una go see and say una children they go suffer for Europe. Believe me, share this video, share this video, share this video. Operation Hold Your Government Accountable. Operation Hold Your Government Accountable. I'm not joking. This is the new latest right now, right away. For Edo State, we just know we are going to kick that motherfucker away from there. Godwin Obaseki very soon. So that any government that come in, you will not say, either not do or die. Either you do for us what you promise us, or the government go aside. Believe me. See, all of us with the come house. We not prepared gun. We know they shoot gun. We not diplomats. What we call diplomatic. As we take the talk and so that's so we go to knock for Osadebe or whatever una represent. That's so we go to knock. Bam, bam, bam. If you don't want to kill us, look at Europe. All the youth with the Africa now, the one way we say they get mad for this and they don't use gun kill all of them finish in the name of courtesy, in the name of saying that this man go fit talk, in the name of saying this guy is a very brilliant and wisdom, they don't use gun kill they finish. Now, the good one are in the Western world. This is the time for we, all what we are laying in the Western world, we are coming back home to come and shake. Operation Hold Your Government Accountable. I be Prime Minister, I be House of Rep, I be what's so called local government chairman. Even though the chairman, even though the no give for your community, for your own community, for your own village, this is the time to ask him what is the future as a citizen, as a youth. What you people really is your benefit for this land. My people, wanna believe me, Operation Hold Your Government Accountable. Get it clear, say me, this is the time. You know how many Nigerians they suffer for Europe here? You know the suffer where our boys they suffer for Europe here. Go to Italy, go to Germany, come to France, go to Spain, go to Portugal, go to Greece, go see how our youths when we say even graduates, he have diplomas, but he can't function based on say where he's supposed to function as a human being. He already missed that place. Here is a hustling gun. They don't want to know diploma. They don't want to know this or they don't want to know that because you are a black man. But no, this is the time for you to know that, for you to understand that where the problem starts for is from your governor, is from your leader, is from your chief, is from your enogie, is from the everybody where we know say man, they have represent you to stand for you as a leader. This is the time for you to hold them accountable. Believe me, brothers and sisters, and we are coming home. Crack your motherfucking gun. We will see how you will shoot for our rights, where we demand for our rights. Attempt to hold your governor accountable. Stop calling your brothers and sisters in Europe, or stop selling your brothers and sisters to prostitute or to drug pusher or to what's so called Yahoo fraudster because in the name of saying want to take care of you as a family back home. We know how many Edo youths who are in prison in the name of say I want to make I send money go give my papa. In the name of say I want to send money go give my mama the village. I know many Edo girls where they prison when we say man in the name of prostitute make I go take care of my people. Make I build house for my mama, make I build house for my papa. Many have died for prison, many have rot for prison. Operation Hold Your Government Accountable. This is the time for we to understand that our problem or whatever is going on in Europe is not their fault. All the calamity come from your governor, your president, your community chairman, your community leaders, all those leaders. This is the time for you to hold them accountable. And coming back is a broke first news. Take it clear, brothers and sisters. We will get their time this time. Edo must be liberated from the evil cabal. Nigeria must be liberated from the evil cabal. Anyone when we say, man, this coronavirus give her a lesson, you can't come out for inside, stay where. We they can't give her the lesson of say, operation, take care of your people. God bless you, everyone. Rise up, my leader. Those my brothers and sisters that depend on their brothers and sisters in Europe. This is the time for you to rise up. Money is not everything, but truth to make sure say you're economic, you're truthful, it shall be stored in your father's land. Get it clear that your governor, your minister, your house of rep, your chairman, your president is the problem of you that suffer in Europe. Believe me, not the European government, not the American government, not the Asian government. Your governor, even not the China government, your president, your governor, your senator, your house of rep, your local chairman, there is all those people, they are the one that caused your calamity you are facing in Europe. And they are still the one that caused the calamity that you people have been killing yourself as a youth in the name of confraternity. They are the one. They are the one. This is the time for you to hold your government accountable. That is what the message Voice of Justice have delivered on the 1st of April, Friday 2020. On the 1st of April, Friday 2020, Friday or the 1st of April, I continue, and this one will be my portion for you people to understand that those leaders, when you shake them, they will shake, especially those politicians. Get it clear. Whatever gun they crack, this is the time for you to learn the news, sir. All gun they have shoot to take carry politics or whatever, we will give them amnesty. We will give them amnesty international. We will give them amnesty. All those politicians, they will bring all their fucking gun out. All the money they loot, put under their bedroom, they will break everything out. Brothers and sisters, may God bless you this morning, afternoon, as you hear the Voice of Justice, John Ibizugbe, aka Voice of Justice. We'll continue to believe that freedom fighter, and with your voice, with my voice, we are going to go to the nearest door so that we can kick them out. God bless you, everyone. Let me leave you people for now. Bye.